Are you looking to save time documenting care and reduce administrative burdens? We're excited to introduce Nuance DAX Copilot, an innovative solution designed to transform the way you document patient care. DAX Copilot is a new approach to today's clinical documentation challenges. It is an AI-powered ambient solution that automatically documents patient encounters accurately and efficiently at the point of care. This cutting-edge technology serves as your AI assistant, turning your spoken words into a powerful productivity tool. All this happens in seconds, saving clinicians time, which improves satisfaction, patient experiences, operational efficiencies, and financial outcomes. With DAX Copilot, you can focus more on patient care and less on administrative tasks. Now, let's take a look at DAX Copilot in action as we present a demonstration of a sample patient encounter and note completion.
Hi, Susan. Do you mind if I use DAX Copilot to record our encounter today?
Sure, no problem.
Great. Susan Miller, 55-year-old female who has been experiencing cough and fever. So Susan, it sounds like you've been feeling a bit under the weather. What's been going on?
Yeah, I've been having a bit of a rough time this last week. I had like cold symptoms for a few days, but it seems like it's been getting progressively worse. And now I have this terrible cough, and I'm bringing up a lot of thick brown mucus. Also feels like my pulse might be racing a little bit, and I can't seem to catch my breath. I've also had some fever and chills for the last few days, and just kind of overall feel pretty terrible.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Have you been having any chest pain at all?
A little bit. It hurts right here when I cough, but otherwise it just feels like a pressure that like someone is putting something heavy on my chest. I'm just not being able to get a good breath in.
Okay, so you said it hurts on the right chest wall?
Yes.
Do you have any history of breathing difficulties like asthma or COPD?
I do have mild asthma. It doesn't flare up real often. Usually I'm pretty healthy. And I just noticed I usually I have a pretty large dog, and I take her out for a walk every day for about 30 minutes around the neighborhood. And the last week or so, I haven't been able to do that because I just get so winded. And I find that I'm most comfortable just sitting up in my recliner because it's much harder to breathe when I'm laying flat in bed or on the couch.
Oh, that's a shame. What kind of dog do you have?
She's a lab mix.
I love labs.
Yeah, they're great.
They're so sweet.
Hmm.
Anyway, let me go ahead and listen to your heart and lungs. Go ahead and breathe in and breathe out. Okay, so your heart sounds good, but I'm hearing some crackling in your lungs, which means that there's fluid in the air sacs. Let me just look at your EKG and the lab work you did when you came in. So the EKG shows a rapid heart rate, and your blood work shows that your white cell count is elevated. That means there's some kind of infection going on. When my nurse took your vitals, the pulse ox was 88. All of that concerns me for pneumonia. I think we probably want to get you over to the hospital for further evaluation. You might be there a few days on some IV antibiotics just to get the infection cleared up. Do you have any questions for me?
No, I think I'm good. Thank you for your time.
Okay, thank you. Once the encounter is complete, DAX Copilot analyzes the conversation and filters out any extraneous information. I can edit the report directly in the mobile app on the go, or I can wait until later in the day when I'm back at the computer. DAX Copilot creates clinical summaries automatically and securely. To learn more about clinical documentation that writes itself, contact ZephyrTec.
To learn more about DAX Copilot, please visit our website. ZephyrTec is a Nuance certified DAX Copilot and Dragon Medical One partner. Since 1993, ZephyrTec has been and remains the industry leader in the deployment of speech recognition and workflow solutions to drive maximum efficiency in the creation of clinical documentation. Let us help you harness the power of speech and AI. Contact us today.